today we will learn how to start coding in 2025 in Code with Utsav. So, first question will be, in this AI era, the coding still be relevant? The honest answer should be yes, as AI will help you to write the code, but developers, but it doesn't replace them, because it will assist them to the developer, like to write some basic code starter pack, or you can say that it will some kind of logic it will solve, but not whole uh, portion of the developer will be replaced, and it will only helps you. So if you learn how to use it, then it will be a best option for you. So, what are the skills are relevant in 2025? Majorly the logic and problem solving. Then you should understand the fundamental as well, and you should have the debugging and logical thinking. So based on that, you will be in a top notch in 2025 and 2026, and you should know how code works. Basically, you have to understand the whole workflow and what is there written by AI or developer written the code. So all those things will be mattered. Okay, and what should you not focus on? Like you in this era, AI era, you should not memorize each and every syntax, because syntax can be differ for each and every language, but that will be ready to available you. So you should not focus on the memorizing the syntax, and you cannot learn each and everything at once. So you have to be accept that you will only learn few things which will help you to uh, get started with it, but you will not learn each and everything at once. Like you will thinking like, I will learn Python, I will learn Java, I will learn JavaScript. All those things will not be learned at once. You have to give some time for each and every language and each and every technology. Then you will able to grasp gradually. And you should not, like, you just add one prompt in ChatGPT or Gemini, and you just copy paste whole thing. That will not be the correct way. You should not do that, because if you do that, you will not understand how and what is generated there. You will not able to debug and resolve the issue, if any. Okay, then what will be the roadmap? So first, you have to choose one language. Like you just need to focus on one language first, then you learn basic, and based on that you will start creating some small project, like the calculator one, or the simple block fundamental thing. Like you will get started with that, and then you will help the what we can say, you will learn the essential tool which are required for that particular language. Like for example, you started with JavaScript, then you will able to know how what are the tools it's required, like the VS Code, and for Python what are the other tools which are needed for it. So based on that you will get started. Which language you should choose? Basically, the if you want to start with the backend and logic, and in the AI era, it will be the Python first. And if you still wanted to learn with the web development and creating the web frameworks and all those stuff, then JavaScript will be best for you. You have to just start with one, and then based on your consistency, it will land you in the correct place. So one major thing will be that focus on the consistency instead of the field. It will be not like in 1 or 2 days you will able to grasp each and everything. You will have to give some time. Okay, and those are the small project you can get started. The calculator, to do app to do app will be the initial pack. for each and every language, and simple creating the API and how it will work. Then you will go ahead with the small automation, like which you feel it will be best. Is based on those, like those small project will help you to build a confidence. Based on that, you will get like okay, these things I learn, like how can I be better on each and every project. This those kind of stuff will be based on the outcome of those, so it will help you to gain the confidence. Now how to use the AI right way. So if you add the prompt like build full project, like I need to have some stationery shop project, you get, can you give me the code, and then it's not a correct way. You have to just have the basic assistant on that. Don't fully rely on the AI. So if you ask for some particular specific error, then it will be fine. Or if you have some logic building stuff and you need to have some help on that, then it will be best way to get some help with the AI. And also you will have three or four approaches, okay, and you have to just get the some what will be the best option for you, then it AI will help you on that. So based on your fundamental knowledge and AI, it will be great combination on that. So it will give you much power than the one who only have the fundamentals or only relying on the AI. So there are both combination will be have the much power on like to land in the correct area. And from my side, like first think like a developer instead of doing each and everything, and just focus on the developer perspective, not on the like yeah. So you just start with the developer perspective, and firstly you just learn the fundamentals, what are there and what needs to be done from your side, and try to be consistent instead of going in like 100% you have to uh, get answer. Instead of that, you just do not need to worry about the perfection. It will come with the time only. As I am also a developer, so I know like each and everything I will not be in the perfect on it. But if I get started with it, like each and every day if I work on the same thing, then I will get some consistency on that. Yep. And yeah, that's pretty much it from this video. And if you like it, like then like it. If you want to subscribe, then it would be great for me. And if any comments or if any issues you face on this, let me know. I'm happy to upgrade on that. And from the next video I will explain front end versus back end. Yeah, that's all. Thank you for watching the video.